Yeah, and
Uh,
I want to go through the training and in detail, and then I want to take some notes so then I can get
yeah,
my
but
end
like
sorted.
even when you go through the training, you'll see me like uploading videos, so you can just reference and then see like what I'm doing.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
perfect.
all
Yeah,
good.
because then
So
once I understand it, I should be good to go.
yeah, but the don't forget to connect the gym your AdSense to the channel.
Yeah, I'm going to work on that today. That's my priority, is to get that up and running again. If
Yeah,
I have
get
to
this.
talk to, I'd rather talk to someone. But if emails and stuff don't work, then I'll try and connect with a human, not a bot.
Yeah, yeah,
But
it's
it should be fine. Like it's not it hasn't they haven't closed it or anything. It's just because I wasn't active for more than 6 months. So
uh
that yeah.
yeah,
But
yeah.
they said I
So,
should be able to recover it. Yeah, hopefully that works. Have
yeah,
you if you didn't have an AdSense, what's your workaround if you were to sell a channel? Is there a workaround that, or you need to have an AdSense?
like
Like
for
if you were to
example,
sell. Mm,
for example, if you had a AdSense and if you when you connected, if you say I don't have a AdSense,
yeah,
and if you create a new one, it won't go through because they like to check if you were active on the other one.
gotcha. Yeah, no, I'll keep that one reactivate it, and I should be good. But I'll spend the day today doing that.
Yeah, but like before you connect on the channel, make sure it's active.
Yep.
Um,
Yeah. Yep.
but like yeah, let
I
me know
won't
anyway
touch.
how you go.
Yeah, I won't touch anything until I know it's they've reactivated my AdSense. I won't link
Yeah,
anything because it'll just confuse it all.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah, no.
Yeah,
Uh, Also, I'll send through the rest of the funds through today. Um,
yeah, because it came in yesterday, so I think it's all clear
yeah,
from.
I just hope that nothing else. It should be fine because that account I only use for. I very rarely use that. It's basically my savings account, so we should be
Ah,
good. Yeah,
I had a Macquarie account, but I haven't used it for like 5 6 years. But I don't know even the
yeah.
password. So
That's where I put like my savings, and then I only grab money out of there to put into my everyday accounts, so that then
do they
end
do
up.
they charge do they charge like monthly fee stuff like that?
It's if it is, it's not much. I think it's only a
Yeah.
few bucks a month, so I'm
Okay.
okay with it. Yeah,